The fact that Igbos are buying up Lagos is seriously giving Yoruba people epilepsy, and it's both laughable and precarious. One that demands Igbos should be on their 10 toes. According to Yoruba Elders Progressive Council, who raised the alarm on a full page of a newspaper, they cried that Lagos is slowly slipping out of the hands of its true owners, the Yorubas. If they don't act now, their children will one day be told you are a visitor in the very land of their ancestors. The Yoruba Elders Progressive Council explained that for years, they had welcomed their Igbo brothers and sisters with open arms. They alleged that they gave them space to live, work, and prosper, which is completely false, because Igbos paid cash. They acquired everything they own in Lagos legitimately. They said that nobody disturbs the Igbos in Lagos, which unfortunately for them became their land of gold since jealousy won't buy them. However, they are lamented that the script is changing now, and dangerously so. The Yoruba elders wept that from Alaba to Trade Fair, from Festac to Lagos Island, Igbo's investments are swallowing the entire communities. It is no longer buy and sell, it is buy and claim, they alleged. They accused Igbos of boldly saying that Lagos is for all of us and thus disrespecting them. As a result, the Yoruba progressive elders are suggesting that the Lagos government should paint now. Cause the certificate of occupancy, that is the C of O, for non-indigens, emphasis on non-indigens, which by extension are Igbos from 100 years to 25 years, with renewal at 15% of the property's market value. And you are telling me that Nigeria is one. Citing the certificate of origin, you must trace your lineage through local leaders, not just claim Lagos because you were born here. Teach Lagos history in schools and media so our people understand that hospitality should never mean surrendering identity. Use law, not violence, to make sure that guests respect the house they were welcomed into. They insisted that this is not tribalism but survival. Really? They intuned that Lagos was not and would never be a no man's land. They admitted that they could not keep selling their lands for quick cash and then complain tomorrow when outsiders dictate the rules. Their ancestors didn't build Lagos for them to auction it off piece by piece. No, they show your ancestors built Lagos. They said this was a call to every Lagos indigene. They should wake up, speak up, and protect their heritage. My darlings, what do you have to say? I'm still cooking my answers to this release. Let's meet in the comment section.
And London has more investment than the entire states in England put together. New York has infrastructure, all investment, more than all the states of the, more than the rest of the states in the United States, including California. Paris has more investment than anywhere. So in every country, wherever you find the commercial nerve of that country, you are likely to see the need to put infrastructure in place in order to boost the economy of that country. Whatever Lagos benefits the country. So the idea that you put more in Lagos than in other states of the Federation should be put into proper context. Lagos is a no man's land. Lagos is the hub of Nigeria. Lagos is the pride of the country. Lagos is the beacon of economic growth of the country.
Now, Dr. Bwala.
Human beings. They are human beings. For instance, you come to Lagos and say Lagos is no man's land. It belongs to... You have to be sensible enough to know you're talking to your host. You talk to your host respectfully. You don't rub it on their face, even though you are buying their houses, you are taking their women lawfully. You don't need to go there and say the law backs me. No, we are human beings. You know, the law says you should not take the laws into your hands. But we're talking about the country, we're talking about xenophobia. Before you know, people are dead. So what I'm saying is that we should be humble, we should not arrogate too much to ourselves.
Mr. Puto, you've lived long enough in Lagos. You've seen things happen in the past. You've seen things happen even recently. Do you agree with that concept? Lagos is a no man's land.
Yes, because this was our first capital, so it had people from different ethnic groups who made Lagos really bubble. So if you're looking at it from that perspective, yeah, it's just like America, the melting pot of all the, a lot of immigrant people. And now look at how Donald Trump is messing the whole thing up. Yeah? So, yes, from that perspective, in terms of people coming together, it's really a no man's land. It's like New York. I think Lagos is like the New York of Nigeria. Yeah.
So if